Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 snakes with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Now here we go. Number 1, King Cobra. K I N G, King. C O B R A, Cobra, King Cobra. Number 2, Python. P Y T H O N, Python. Number 3, Crate. K R A I T, Crate. Number 4, Russell's Viper. R U S S E L L apostrophe S, Russell's. V I P E R, Viper, Russell's Viper. Number 5, Black Mamba. B L A C K, Black. M A M B A, Black Mamba. Number 6, Red Sand Boa. R E D, Red. S A N D, Sand. B O A, Boa, Red Sand Boa. Number 7, Boomslang. B O O M S L A N G, Boomslang. Number 8, Anaconda. A N A C O N D A, Anaconda. Number 9, Rattlesnake. R A T T L E, Rattle. S N A K E, Snake, Rattlesnake. Number 10, Taipan. T A I P A N, Taipan. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you are finding my videos helpful, please share them with others and subscribe my channel.